Welcome to WebStyle Plus. How to recover storage space into your Google Photos. To do that, go to Google Photos, search Google Photos in Google, click the first result. Log in if you are not. Click on gear icon at the top right corner. Choose Storage Saver option. Now the quality of photos that you upload to this account will be slightly reduced, but it will be still good. After that, click Manage Storage. Scroll down. In front of Convert existing photos and videos to Storage Saver, click Learn More. It says recover some storage by switching existing photos and videos when possible from original quality to Storage Saver quality. It doesn't affect items stored or added elsewhere on Google, such as in Gmail, Google Drive, or YouTube. Some items backed up on Pixel devices may not be affected. Click I understand and then click on Compress existing photos and videos. Compressing. That's it. Your existing videos and photos will be compressed, and new videos and photos that you upload will be optimized to save space. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.